Good, healthy cereal. I like to add a tablespoon of flaxseed meal for additional fiber and a chopped banana. So good. Excellent breakfast cereal for adults. Lots of crunch, wholesome grain flavor, goes well with blueberries. Great for liver detoxication. Great healthy cereal for the product. Price has gone up so value isn't as great anymore, but product itself is tasty. We love the fact that we get 2 pounds of high-quality cereal and no box. The product is low in sugar and high in flavor. Wow, delicious and healthy. I've looked at the ingredients and this cereal is on the healthier side. If your kids are used to healthy food, they will like it. My toddler likes to eat it like chips. Pretty healthy breakfast and snack option. I warm macadamia but milk and pour over this and it tastes good. Don't expect sweetness. If you want to add a little sweetness, cut up some dates. You can add some agave nectar as another option or stevia. Maple syrup is good too. I have tried all of them. You can also add some hemp seeds, maca powder and flax seeds for added nutrition. By itself though, on those lazy days I eat it for breakfast and lunch. I recommend it. Taste good, is healthy and good size. Love this cereal, good alternative to eating oatmeal all the time. Flakes stay crunchy and milk and has enough sweetness to it that you don't need extra sugar. Click link in description for more info.